Hello, YouTube. Big Elvis with you. We got the M2, I don't know what you call it, special car in. Pink box, 66 number. It is sealed. We are going to open it. See what this is. Let's check it out. Okay. We're back. We got the seal broke. This was the new GT in the special package. Let's just see what we got here. So we got the pretty pink 66 Ford GT done in the pink box. Pretty sweet looking. It also comes with some shoelaces, say M2 machines on them, and that is the bottom of the box. So we'll put that stuff back in here. I don't know how many of y'all looked to get this car. Is it one of these that I should just save and not open and just enjoy it from there? I think not. I think we're going to get it out of here. It is sealed. So let's see if we can get her cracked. How's everybody been? Hope you all are enjoying. Well, we're coming into fall, I think, finally. And I hope everybody has had a great summer. You got to go do what you wanted to do. Got a few cars added to your collection. Opened a few cars and just generally enjoyed yourself. Look at there. Now, I really do like this. We're going to look at it up close and personal here. Ford GT, number 66, and the pink. Highlights are cool. Gold rims. Let's get it off here, off this base, and check it out. So here it is, off the plate. Here's what the bottom says. This was their monthly specialty car. 2025 cast line. So done for this year. Does have some weight to it. Nothing opens. There's the fuel tank. There's your rear end. Nicely done. You can see the rear end. You can see the exhaust poking through there. Tail lights. Wheels look very nice. Plastic base. Goodyear on them. Pretty nice. That was the M2 special car. I don't know. I guess they do one a month or so. But I thought, what the heck, we'd give it a try. I want to say that was a $29 one, maybe. Of course, you'll have to add shipping. But let us know what you think. Drop a comment down in the box. Give us that like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in. Little short video, the one car. Would you put that in your collection? Let me know. Ford GT 40 MK2. Big Elvis. Take care of each other out there.